talent. Khaddi Sagnia of Sweden, 23 years of age, improving this winter. We know she's in great shape. She's jumped 6.85 already this year, and that's, well, it's around that kind of distance. Looks just below 7 meters. She likes it. Also a heptathlete, very capable. Said she was improving. Look at the height on that. That's beautiful long jumping. Waiting for this. This is going to challenge her indoor best ever. It does indeed. A national record for Sagnia, 6.92 meters in the first round. Brilliant stuff. So this is Khaddi Sagnia, jumped that national record in the first round, 6.92. Still in the lead. Fairly slanted approach. Ooh, has she hurt herself? I really hope not, because I think she looks okay. Just mistimed that. Spanovic passed after the halfway phase. Moguenara did the same, and there's your event win.